Arthur, job listings keep saying DevOps engineer 140K.
I was about to apply and realized I cannot define DevOps. Nobody can. I asked 3 people, got 3 answers.
That's the most DevOps thing about DevOps. Okay, story time. It's 2008. Software companies have 2 tribes.
Tribes?
Tribe 1, developers. They write the code. They're paid to ship new stuff fast. Tribe 2, operations. They run the code on servers. They're paid to keep everything stable.
Ship fast versus keep stable. Those goals literally fight each other.
Now add the wall. Developers finish code, toss it over to ops, and walk away. Works on my machine.
Hey, that's my line from Tuesday.
Same disease, bigger scale. Ops deploys it at 2 a.m. It breaks. Nobody knows whose fault it is. Everyone points fingers.
Releases must have been terrifying.
Companies released a few times a year. Each one was a moon launch, all-nighters, war rooms, pizza.
So DevOps is tearing down the wall?
That's the heart of it. Around 2009, people said, what if the people who build it also help run it? One team. You build it, you run it.
Okay, but that's just a seating chart change. Where's the 140K skill?
Because culture alone doesn't scale. You need the robot army. That's the practice side. 4 big pieces.
Piece 1. CI/CD. Every code change automatically tested and shipped. No 2 a.m. moon launches. Small changes, constantly.
How constantly are we talking?
Elite teams ship many times a day. The research on this, DORA, shows the best teams deploy dramatically more often and break less.
More releases and fewer disasters? That feels illegal.
Small changes are easy to test and easy to undo. 100 tiny steps beat 1 giant leap. Piece 2. Infrastructure as code. Your servers are described in files, so environments stop being handmade snowflakes.
The works on my machine vaccine again?
Piece 3. Monitoring. Dashboards and alerts so you know it broke before Twitter tells you. And Piece 4. Automation of everything boring. Quick pause from me. Thursdays on this channel are all DevOps, CI/CD next week, then Terraform, monitoring, the whole toolkit. Follow along if you want that 140K vocabulary.
I'm already rewriting my resume. Okay, honest question. Is DevOps a job? Because the job listings say yes, but you're describing a philosophy.
Both. And that's the confusion. The philosophy is one team, automate everything, ship small and often.
The job is usually the engineer who builds that robot army, the pipelines, the infrastructure code, the monitoring.
So a DevOps engineer builds the machine that ships the machine?
Beautifully put. And every cloud we've met this week, AWS, Google, Azure, is the raw material they work with.
And the containers from Tuesday?
The standard boxes moving through those pipelines. It all clicks together. That's why the tracks run side by side.
The Tuesday-Thursday videos are secretly one course. Sneaky.
Very intentional. All right, bring it home. What is DevOps?
DevOps is tearing down the wall between the people who write code and the people who run it. One team, you build it, you run it. Powered by robots, automatic testing and shipping, infrastructure written as code, monitoring everywhere. Ship small, ship often, break less, and the DevOps engineer is the one building those robots.
Perfect. Next Thursday, CI/CD. We build the robot assembly line piece by piece.
I'll bring the pizza, tradition apparently.
For the war room stories, sure.
See you Thursday.